Alright guys, so trying to get the wings done up here. You can see I've already got it taped off for the hinge pins. This is the right wing. Got the left wing over here, it's a little further along. Still need to glue this control horn in, but it's all drying up pretty nice. Got the aileron here. The hinge is glued in one side. Got the servo in. Braided line coming out the end here. Forgot to record it, but had to open up the servo hatch to accept full-size servo. We're using the high-tech 7954s. Output spline's going to go towards the aileron, and this was laser cut, so I knew exactly how wide to make it. But I'm just taking the file here, filing out my corners after hitting it with the Dremel so we can get the servo in there. Then we'll glue this other aileron on. All right, got the servo in. You can see here, if I can get it out. Already drilled my holes. Everything's lined up. Everything fits in pretty good. So I'm gonna thread the holes, hit them with some CA. And before I put the servo in, I'm gonna take this black Sharpie here and just color in this wood just a little bit. I did it on this one, it looks pretty good. Just show you what that looks like, what the difference is. Just go ahead and color in this side. Put the servo in. Yeah, it doesn't make much of a difference, but I think it looks better. Alright. Got the left wing in the back. Just got to glue the control horn in. Got the right wing set up, drying. Using some Vaseline or petroleum jelly to grease the hinges before epoxy. Gonna let this set up. As soon as this one is set up, put the servo in. Got it right here. Sleeve the cables for both of them. See there. Put the servo in. Then we'll work on gluing the horns. All right, I just peeled off all the painter's tape for my hinges. We're good there. Everything's nice and dried up pretty good. It's the next day here. Just glued in my hinges on both sides. Just peeled off the painter's tape there. We are still a little soft on the epoxy. You can probably kind of see that here. It's a little stringy, but it'll hold. So next thing, I've got my servos sleeved here. We're gonna put them in the wing, match the other side. I've got these SWB arms we're going to use. It should be just about the right length. Get us what we want. Still waiting on push rods. They should be here any day, I hope. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this servo installed. We've already drilled the holes, already put some CA to tighten the threads up. Took a black marker and colored in the wood so it doesn't show as much. Gonna run the servo lead out just like this one here. See, it goes back up in there. And then we'll be back on the fuselage. Okay, got the wings finished up. Ailerons glued in. Control horns glued in. Servos in. Sleeved. Leads coming out the end here. And just waiting on some 3-inch turnbuckles. And we'll put the control horns, the servo horns on. And the wings will be all done, so we turn our attention back to the fuselage and try to finish this thing up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you'll like, share, and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up down at the bottom. I'd really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.